The story of the wolf and the goats, a lesson about cunning and grazing safely on a steep mountain ledge, is a classic fable trying to catch some goats. Knowing he couldn't reach them directly, the wolf tried to trick them. He called out to the goats, pretending to care for their safety, and urged them to come down to the green pastures below, where they would find more food. The goats, understanding the wolf's true intention, wisely stayed on the ledge, refusing to be fooled. Moral ****. Beware of false advice from those who may have bad intentions.
Thanks for watching.